Okay, good afternoon all of you. And this is the, you can see this is one restaurant nearby bypass Dankuni. So here we have meet up today, and today it's very surprising that today I'm going to join with them as a senior manager, and I'm going to take care of the project here also. So this is the first time maybe you will be seeing that today someone is joining on online. And so let us celebrate a small video on this, and obviously I am going to soon meet up all of you and online itself. So let us see. Silky, would you like to say something?
Hi. Yes, I am very excited. I am going to work with sir once again after 5 and 6 years. So I am really excited.
Same
And
here.
thank you,
After
sir.
a long
Thank you.
time, we are going to work with sir. Okay, so it's a very exciting situation. I hope it will coming. Okay, so it's okay. Like we want to start the work as soon as possible. That's basically I want to say.
Okay, thank you, Dipan. Thank you so much. Okay, so I would like to now take the responsibility.
So
Okay.
please, can you pick up? We are basically handovering the laptop because this is the main criteria before starting the work. So this is a laptop I am handovering to sir. Sir, please take it.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Okay.
so much.
So it's over almost. We are done.
So we'll start and we'll see you
And-
as soon as possible.
Yes.
And it's a new journey. Start from today.
We are going to start. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Tata, bye bye.
Bye.